How to play Southwest Florida Roblox on Xbox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to play Southwest Florida Roblox on Xbox. It's a simple process, so follow along. Playing Southwest Florida on any console with Roblox is easy. The game works well with PlayStation and Xbox. Just open the game on your console, sign into your Roblox account, and if you're using the same account as on other platforms, you should find it on the home screen. If you don't see it immediately, use the search function. The controls are adapted for your controller, so you can start playing right away. I won't provide detailed instructions on gameplay in this video, but in summary, you need to get a job, earn money, buy vehicles, perform tricks, and use different commands. Check the control lab at the bottom to see what each car can do. This experience is fully accessible on Xbox. Your progress is saved when you sign out, and if you switch to PC or mobile using the same account, your vehicles, job, and money will be saved too. You can even use the same controller on different platforms. I hope this guide on playing Southwest Florida Roblox on Xbox was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.